So we have a very interesting functional equation. We're given that f is a function from positive real numbers to positive real numbers. And f of x to the power of f of y times f of y to the power of f of x equals x to the power of y times y to the power of x. And the goal here is to find f of x, so we're going to do that. But before I start with the solution, please consider subscribing for more contents like this. So here's what I'm going to do in this video. First of all, I'm going to start with replacing both x and y with 1. So we will have f of 1 to the power of f of 1 times f of 1 to the power of f of 1 equals 1 to the power of 1 times 1 to the power of 1. Obviously, the right-hand side will simplify to 1, and the left-hand side will simplify to f of 1 to the power of 2 times f of 1. And that's because we have the same bases here, so we just need to add the powers. And if we do that, we will have f of 1 to the power of 2 times f of 1. Now, since f of 1 to the power of 2 times f of 1 equals 1, we can solve this for f of 1, and we will have f of 1 equals 1. Let me explain a little more. Let's say we have an exponent like a to the x power, and this equals 1, so we will have two cases. Either the base is 1, or the power is 0 where the base is not 0. So in our case, if the base is 1, we will have f of 1 equals 1. And if the power is 0 where the base is not, we will have f of 1 equals 0 and f of 1 is not equal to 0, which is a contradiction. So the only solution for f of 1 is f of 1 equals 1. I hope that makes sense. Next, we're going to get back to the original equation, and I'm going to replace y with 1. If I do that, I will have f of x to the power of f of 1 times f of 1 to the power of f of x equals x to the power of 1 times 1 to the power of x. Now notice that we know that f of 1 equals 1, so on the left-hand side we will have f of x to the power of 1 times 1 to the power of f of x. F of x to the power of 1 is the same thing as f of x, and 1 to any power is the same thing as 1. So f of x times 1 is going to be f of x. So basically, on the left-hand side, we will have f of x. And on the right-hand side, we have x to the power of 1, which is x, and 1 to the power of x, which is 1. So we will have x times 1, which is the same thing as x. So on the right-hand side, we will have x. On the left-hand side, we will have f of x. So f of x equals x. And that's it. We just found an expression for f of x. And this concludes our video. Thank you for watching this video. Please consider subscribing for more contents like this, and smash the like button if you find this video helpful. Hopefully, I will see you later. Goodbye.